In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify token. If you're setting up integrations or creating a custom app for your store, this process is essential. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage installed apps and create custom apps for integrations. Next, click on Develop Apps. If app development is not enabled yet, Shopify may ask you to allow custom app development first. Simply follow the prompts and enable it. Now click Create an App. Shopify will ask you to enter a name for your custom app. Type in any name you want and then click Create App. Once the app is created, you'll be taken to the App Overview page. Here, look for the section called API Credentials and click on it. Inside this section, you'll see important information related to your app, including your API key and access token details. To generate the token, click Configure Admin API Scopes and select the permissions your app needs. After choosing the permissions, click Save. Now return to the API Credentials page and click Install App. Shopify will ask for confirmation, so click Install once again. After installation, your admin API access token will appear on the screen. This is your Shopify token that can be used for integrations and custom app connections. Make sure to copy and store this token somewhere secure because Shopify usually only shows the full token one time. And that's it. You've successfully generated your Shopify token for app development and integrations. Thanks for watching and happy building.